Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Loox reviews on your Shopify store. So let's get into it. On the left hand side you will see the apps store and you can tap on add apps. Over here you can look for the Shopify app store right at the bottom of the window and you will then find this page. Now alternatively you can open up a new tab and type in apps.shopify.com and you will find yourself here as well. Here we're going to go ahead into the search bar and type in Loox, that's Loox, and you will find it in your search results. Now it should be your first search result, but if it's not, this is what it looks like. This is the logo and it does also say built for Shopify. Now once you click on this, you'll have the option to install. It does also give you some information over here. It is $9.99 per month. However, you do get a 14-day free trial. We're going to tap on install right over here. Now once we have tapped on that install, we will have to give permission on this page to integrate Loox reviews with our Shopify store, and we're going to tap on the install button, and within a few seconds it will be integrated. Now from this page you will have to choose one of their packages, one of their pricing plans, and you can either go with the beginner for $14.99 or you can go ahead with the scale at $39.99, and that's in USD. We're going to go ahead for now and just start that 7-day trial, and we're going to go ahead and tap on take beginner instead. On the right hand side you will see that it says your next bill, and this is what will be billed on your next accounting bill. So this is done through your Shopify store. Okay, this will not be paid as a third party or directly to Loox. It'll be done through your Shopify store. So you can just go ahead and tap on approve, and if you don't like Loox you can go ahead and just remove it before your free trial ends. You can see now on this page we have now completed the onboarding session, and we're going to go ahead and tap on continue, and here you can see it says you got to click the button below, and then you got to make sure that the Loox core script is on. All right, so let's just tap on the enable Loox core script, and what's going to happen is it'll forward you to your Shopify store, to your theme, and on the left hand side you will have what is the apps or the embedded apps. And you're going to just make sure that the Loox core script is toggled on over here. On the right hand side we can tap on save. We're going to jump back into this tab over here. We can just close that, and over here we can see now it says Loox core script enabled, and we can tap on continue. Here we're going to tap on the add product review widget, and this will allow the product review widget to be on the actual product itself. Over here it has now confirmed that it has been added. Again, we're going to just go ahead on the right hand side and tap on save. We can customize it if we would like, but for now we're going to just get back out of here and back now to this page. We can close that again, and we're going to tap on continue. Here we can add the rating widget. Again, it is giving confirmation that this has been added. We're going to tap on close, save on the right hand side, and we are going to close this window. It is now verifying, and we can tap on continue. We can now enter our store's primary language, which is English. That's fantastic. We're going to tap on continue, and then we can choose some customized color schemes so that it stands out. For now we're just going to tap on continue, and then you can then choose when you ask for reviews. So we can do 7 days. I think that's a good period. And then we can say 7 days after purchase. We can say continue, and we can offer a discount for submitting a photo and video review. That is always fantastic. And then we can just make it 10% and tap on continue. And now it says let's set up your referrals program. We're going to tap on continue again. So from here, the referrals, discounts, and rewards, you can go ahead and you can allocate a friend's discount and an advocate reward. So let's say 10%, $5, that's great. And a minimum purchase you can enter in over here as well. So let's just say $100. And over here you can see what it looks like. And we're going to tap on continue again. And here we can choose whether or not to display the referrals widget after the purchase. We're going to leave that on, and we're going to tap on continue. The on-site referrals widget, this displays to your store visitors. It typically does generate a large amount of sales. We're going to leave this on here, and that's what it looks like. We're going to tap on continue. And then you can also have the option to send review requests to past customers. Let's keep this on. This is fantastic. We're going to use the 90 days back. So if you haven't been using this in the past, you can actually now grab some of those customers and get some reviews. We're all set. We can go ahead now and we can tap on enter the admin, and this is where you will actually manage everything. Now, if this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. If you want to learn more about Shopify, explore our channel. We got tons of awesome content. We'll see you next time. Peace.